So this is an exam question. It's a wonderful question that you are supposed to know even as you get to prepare for your exams, the internal candidates and the GCEs. The question is saying, the figure below shows a ball just before sliding down a smooth slope. So this is a smooth slope. So it is sliding down a smooth slope. Then the question that is, I guess you've seen this diagram, blah, 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 you study everything there. So the question is saying, what is the first question? What is the potential energy, PE, that is potential energy? What is the potential energy of the ball at A? So the first thing you need to understand the formula for potential energy. So I want to tell you that potential energy is given by the formula mass times gravity times height. That is a formula for potential energy. I guess we all know that particular formula. So in this case, we are going to say potential energy is equal to, what is the mass? They want us to find the potential energy of the ball. So what is the mass of the ball? 0.8 times. Then what is gravity? We know that this is acceleration due to gravity. So gravity due to its acceleration. So in this case, what I'm going to do is just a 10 multiplied by, what is the height? So I now check the height. What is the height? The height in this case, have you seen the height there? The height is 10. So I put the 10 there. So what is the answer there? What is the full answer there if I multiply? So I want people to confirm this with me. What is the answer there? I'm getting 80 joules. So somebody to confirm with me. According to my calculation, I'm getting 80 joules. That is the potential energy. Then I go to this next question. What is the kinetic energy? Ke, that is kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy of the ball as it reaches B? So we are answering question B. They want us to find the what? They want us to find the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy, I want to tell you that kinetic energy that is at what? That is at B is equal to the same potential energy that is at what? That is at A. So potential energy that is at A, this potential energy, is equal to the kinetic energy that is at B. So these are certain concepts that you have to understand. Maybe you had to wonder why I had to get a 10 here, because the height there, I've said on the formula for kinetic energy, which we know that the formula for kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. We get to use that particular formula. But since we know that potential energy at A is equal to kinetic energy at B, there is no need of struggling. I'll just say, therefore, kinetic energy at B is equal to what? 80, because it is same as potential energy at A. So just put 80 there. I'm done. So that is the what? Kinetic energy. I move to question C. C is saying, find its final velocity as it approaches, as it reaches B. So I want to find its final what? Final velocity. For me to find its final velocity, the formula I'm going to use, it is this formula. I know that kinetic energy is equal to 1 over 2 mv squared. So they want me to find its what? Final velocity. How can you find its final velocity? For us to be able to find its final velocity, we know kinetic energy is 80. I put 80 there, which is equal to, I say 1 over 2 times, what is the mass? The mass is what? Mass is 0.8. I say 0.8, then I put v squared. Where I'm going to do some calculations there, I say, okay, the answer that I'm going to put here, what will be the answer in this case? So what I'm going to do is that here, if I multiply 2 times 80, I'm going to get what? 160. I'm going to get 160, which is equal to 0.8 v squared. I divide both sides by 0.8. Even here, I divide by 0.8. So I'm going to say this will be cancelled. I'm going to have v squared, which will be equal to what? If you divide there, what answer are you getting? So kindly confirm with me, 1 skist divided by 0.8. The answer that I'm finding is 200. Kindly confirm with me. Maybe I had to make some mistakes. Here I introduce the square root. I say velocity is now equal to, what is the square root of 200? I'm getting 14.14. Then I say meter per second squared. This is its final velocity. So this is what I'm supposed to do. This is its final what? Final velocity. I'm done like this. This is what I'm supposed to do. Did I face any challenges? No. This is how you also need to answer questions you are going to find in an exam. The same way I'm answering them, this is how you are supposed to answer them out. Let us now go to this last question that is here. So these are questions that you get to expect in an exam, and you answer them exactly the same way I'm answering. This last question, I'm going to do diction. I'm going to just say it out. So state the law of conservation of energy. State the law of conservation of energy. So you need to understand that the law of conservation of energy states that energy, this one, I'm going to tell you to say that it states that, so I'm going to say it states that energy, this is how it states that energy can neither be created, nor destroyed. No destroyed. I'm going to do this. No what? No destroyed. But only what? Only changed. Only changed from one form to another. From one form to another, or to the other. From one form to the what? To the other. So this is what you need to know. And this is where we are going to end from. This is the answer. This is the law of conservation of energy. So these questions, you are supposed to write them in your books for revision purposes. So this is a public video. Those of you that wants to join my online lessons, I'm going to help you at an affordable fee. You just need to WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. So drop a text on WhatsApp just now. This is my number. So you drop a text on WhatsApp. This is my number. I help you at an affordable fee. So this is my WhatsApp number. And don't forget, I've got a wonderful Facebook page, and I want you people to follow me. I want a family there. This is my Facebook page name. You can also follow me on Facebook using this name. Just do it now. Thank you so much for your support. So Harrison J. Zuru Tutor, that is my Facebook page name. You can follow me on Facebook. Thank you so much.